In this video, is the Bitcoin price hinting a potential movement to the upside? And with that being said, we are going to dive in within this MACD chart as we want to understand what is next for the midterm. And we are also going to give you a quick update within the very short term for the Bitcoin price action. Well, stay tuned to know more.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo.
Guys, it's been a long day of work and trading then. And yeah, I'm actually going to Sparta Philippines, and hopefully we'll try to play some football and siguro meet some people around that area. I'll see you there, guys.
Hi guys, it's me, Amanda. I've always believed in balance. So whatever it is that you do with your portfolio and with your life, always try and be balanced.
Aside from investing in crypto, syempre kailangan natin ng other mga activities or release from just the charts and the screen.
Here in Sparta, what I personally like to do at least twice a week is play football. We have a great community, very supportive for both beginners and actually all levels.
Dito sa Sparta, syempre, in-invite namin kayo mag-workout dito sa Sparta kasi it's a nice place to be safe and to work on your body and your mind away from the computer and the metaverse. Dito muna tayo sa real world, mag-enjoy din tayo.
And I encourage all of you who haven't tried this sport to come here. We have basic football for adults and we can teach you from absolutely zero knowledge. So it's just a fun place to be. It's safe and very enjoyable. So I hope to see you here. Bye guys.
So that was actually Sparta Philippines, and yeah, I've met some people there, which is Amanda and si Ton, and they are actually very good people dun sa Sparta Philippines. And I'm actually going to play football every Thursday in Sparta. So if let's say you want to meet me or if you want to meet the community, you can actually drop by at Sparta every Thursday at 8:30 p.m. That's in Bonnie Avenue in Mandaluyong. So I'll hope to see you there, guys. And you can actually inquire with Sparta, or you can actually find more information about that in the description down below. But anyway, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, diba, sa ating previous analysis, what we are monitoring was this support area of around the $22,800 US. And diba, sabi ko sa inyo, what we are going to do first is we are going to wait out for this to form a bullish divergence. So, hanggat wala pang bullish divergence, then wala muna tayong ita-trade. But ang kagandahan dito is kagabi, nag-form tayo ng somewhat na very small bullish divergence within the 50-minute time frame wherein the price was declining but the RSI was increasing. So that is a traditional sign of a bullish reversal. So we saw that play out for the very short term. So congratulations guys if you have seen that sa ating Facebook, Telegram, and Discord group. And if wala pa kayo doon, you can actually find those link guys in the description down below. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So if right now, if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, you can actually see now we are actually starting to form a rising wedge. And traditionally, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. But right now, wala pa tayong nakikitang breakout. So as of the time being, we still don't have any breakout. So for now, we are just going to wait this one out in order for us to say na we are going to open the next trade. So for now, I'm just going to sit down and wait this one out lang muna guys. If wala kayong ma-open na trade, then wag muna kayo mag-open hanggat sa maaari. If may opportunity, dun tayo papasok. So some people can actually say na they can actually swing trade by buying at the support and then selling at the resistance. You can also do that, but I would prefer actually to wait this to have a breakout instead. So right now, we are going to take note of this bearish scenario. Traditionally, this is a bearish pattern. So what we are going to target is the $22,700 US. So if let's say this is going to play out, then we are going to target the bottom of the wedge as our target. So right now, that is what I am going to monitor with the Bitcoin price action for the very short term. And this is also a very good swing tradable opportunity for you to open a short if let's say we are going to break bearish dito. But the moment na ma-break natin itong resistance, then of course, we are just going to get the height nito by getting the heightness of this rising wedge. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Then that would be our bullish scenario. But traditionally, guys, rising wedge is a bearish pattern. So I'm more of a bearish bias with this type of movement. So right now, I'm leaning towards into a short position if ever na we are going to break this with sell volume. Take note guys, if di pa kayo marunong mag long or short Bitcoin, you can actually check out this tutorial video which is Leverage and Futures Trading Step-by-Step Tutorial with BYBIT. You can actually find this, guys, in the description down below if you want to learn how to open a long position or short position with BYBIT. And if you want to claim of up to 3,000 US dollar bonus with BYBIT, just use my sign up link na you can find in the description down below if you want to start trading with BYBIT. Just another segue lang din, kakastart ko lang din ng TikTok account. So if, guys, you can actually follow me now on TikTok. I'll be posting some crypto contents there na exclusive for TikTok only. And I'll be posting some crypto lifestyle content then. If you want to see how do I usually spend my day beyond crypto, you can actually check out my TikTok. Itong Gab's Crypto, ilalagay ko din siya sa description down below. And this is more on how I balance my life with crypto and as well as my day-to-day life. And hopefully, I'll see you guys and we'll make this fun as much as possible sa ating TikTok. And now, this is the part wherein we've been waiting for this video. It's actually this chart wherein the weekly time frame, if you're going to open the weekly time frame chart and look at the MACD indicator, you can actually see na right now we are starting to form a bullish momentum for a bullish cross. And traditionally, bullish momentum can actually lead into a massive movement to the upside, such as one we have seen from the previous movements. But there are also times na wherein it can lead into a fake out depending on the situation. So in this case, MACD is a delaying indicator. Instead of following the bullish cross, you follow the bullish momentums wherein yung vuelo niya. So as you can see right now, we are just starting to form that momentum. So it's actually indicating that we might see a possible movement to the upside further for the coming days or for the coming weeks. And take note, guys, what we are going to follow is this momentum and not the cross. Kasi look at this. Nung nag-cross na yung ating MACD, natapos na yung pump niya. So in this case, what you are going to follow is this momentum. So right now, we are at that very good momentum. So for the short term, I'm expecting somewhat of a short-term bearish movement. But for the mid-term and then in the coming weeks, I think we are going to see a possible relief rally to the upside. And that could be a potential move of up to around siguro 30K is a very good resistance, but what I am going to monitor is this, siguro around the 25K, 25,000 is a very good resistance to watch out for now with the Bitcoin price action. And if you're going to look at this with our logarithmic growth curve, it actually makes sense kasi diba, if you're going to look at this, right now we are actually forming a resistance around the 25,000 US dollars. So similar resistance na nabanggit natin kanina, it's actually playing out exactly on how our previous analysis is telling us. So right now, it's actually indicating na 25,000 is a very good resistance for a relief rally. And we can actually see potential movement to the upside. But when it comes to a continuation uptrend, yung talagang long-term bull market, I don't think na we are going to see a long-term bull market yet. Kasi for me, what I wanted to see dito is for us to see a relief rally. After na relief rally, it's much better na ma-reject siya one last time to the downside. One last rejection, and then at the same time, dapat yung ating MACD is increasing na. Kasi in that case, that is a sign of a bullish divergence. And traditionally, a bullish divergence is an indicator. It's a signal of a bullish movement to the upside. So right now, we might see a potential relief rally for the midterm for the coming weeks, but I don't expect that to be a long-term movement. I think it's more of a relief rally lang. Magpapahinga lang ating bearish movement, and then babagsak siya one more time. And then if let's say tumaas yung ating MACD, if let's say packet na ating MACD, then that could be the potential sign of us seeing a potential long-term bull market for the Bitcoin price action. But for now, I think what this is going to lead is actually for us to consolidate dito even further. So diba sinabi ko sa inyo relief rally, then rejection, then I'm expecting one last push to the downside. In that case, we might actually see this long-term consolidation happening within the Bitcoin price. So right now, that is what I'm going to expect for the Bitcoin price action. As you can see, it is actually clear dito sa ating logarithmic growth curve. And that is also clear within our MACD indicator for the weekly time frame. But anyway, ayun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.